it's Dr. Criello. I hope that you're all well. So, a couple of months ago, I did a blog post series called Between Drones and Drums. You probably remember if you've been following, where I talked about my journey in preparing for a V-Day performance and how I started taking Puerto Rican bomba dance lessons to incorporate to my performance, and how the experience had shifted my perspective and opened me up to new ideas, and it changed the way I view life. So I haven't posted anything that relates to that, but I have continued my learning of bomba as a dance, as a music, as part of my cultural identity, my ancestral heritage, and I think it's time to share. So I will be posting short videos. I'll do my best to keep them short, and I want them to be also, bilingual, English and Spanish. And but what I want to clarify is that originally I called it Between Drones and Drums because during the process that I was getting ready, I found myself literally with UFOs in a room, with UFO drones flying over me, and me like practicing the steps of bomba because it was days before the performance. So that's why I called it Between Drones and Drums. But the idea, the other perspective to that title is that drones represent, it's part of my area of study and professional work, but it represents those ideas that are flying, that are ideal, that sometimes cloud our vision and doesn't make us look clearly or see things clearly. And the drums is what's ground us, right? It's a grounding experience. So the goal of sharing the information that I will share through these blog posts is to present, those ideas, those that have clouded my vision, and those that are grounding me. So I hope you enjoy them. I welcome feedback as always, and have a great week. Pero primero, como dije, quería hacer estos videos en inglés y en español. Así que seguramente saben que hace un par de meses empecé una serie, o hice una serie de videos que se llamaban entre drones y tambores. Y la idea era compartir el entrenamiento, el proceso en prepararme para esta presentación que fue en febrero, que como parte de un programa de V-Day. Entonces en ese momento me encontré en un salón de clase con drones volando sobre mi cabeza, porque era una de las clases que estaba enseñando, mientras practicaba los pasitos porque me faltaban días para la presentación. Entonces he decidido ahora, porque he continuado aprendiendo sobre el baile de bomba, como baile, como música, como mi herencia ancestral, y es importante que cuente mi historia, que cuente cosas que usualmente no comparto y las quiero hacer. Así que el significado literal es el que les conté, mientras que el significado desde otra perspectiva es que los drones representan esas ideas que nos ponen en las nubes, que son ideales, que no son necesariamente reales, y el tambor representa todo aquello que nos amarra a la tierra de buena manera, ¿no? Que nos hace aterrizar, que nos hace conectarnos con lo que somos, con quienes somos. Así que espero les guste y me dejan saber. Voy a estar ahí posteando muy pronto. Adiós.